2:14 a.m. A buyer on the other side of the world requests a quote. Nobody's awake, and it doesn't matter. QuotWay runs routine quotes on rules you set. When a request comes in, if it's within your limits, price it, accept it, or route it to the right rep. Automatically. Your floor price is always respected. And the deals that need a human get a real negotiation. Version proposals, counteroffers round by round. Approvals on your side and the buyer's. Every step recorded. No email chain. Buyers accept in their account or portal, all lines, or just the ones they're ready for. One click turns it into a native Shopify draft order, negotiated prices locked in. So your team spends the day on the deals that move the needle, while the routine ones handle themselves. QuotWay. B2B quotes and negotiation, built for Shopify. Start free.